next. Kunal Bothra of LKP Securities joins in now. Hi Kunal, good afternoon. This whole week, it's been extremely volatile for the markets, but we're poised at that 8600 mark. Is there a trade that you would recommend for the near term?
Well, I think it depends on today's closing, and probably for the next couple of days, 8600 seems to be a good benchmark. Today, I think, Rima, for the first time after I think 4 or 5 trading sessions, you're seeing a good fight coming from the bulls. Generally when you see the markets falling so sharply, there's generally an indication that bulls generally are going out of the way. But today I think they're managing to hold this level of 8600. So I think if we manage to hold on to 8600 today, and probably till Monday, first half, if you see the markets trading above this level, then probably traders could look at buy with stop loss of 85.50 and probably looking at a target of near-term target of 86.80 to 87.20.
All right, Kunal. Infosys is one stock which has been moving up in the last 7 days, taking the gains back which it had lost last week. So what's your view on Infosys?
Well, I think, Mangalam, I think there is some good patterns, building out in terms of sectors, because I think over the last few days, last few weeks rather, you saw, the money probably, price patterns, going better for the pharma stocks. Defensives were in a range, rate sensitives were probably getting sold into, and today I think you're seeing something different happening. So I think today, you're seeing the IT stocks, trying to gain traction, leading the market in this particular rally. I think for the first half of the session when Nifty was, sharply negative, this was one of the few sectors, which was managing to hold on to its gain. So I think there is a trade over here, for Infosys especially, and I think from a short-term perspective, going with the momentum also building up, one could look at a buy on Infosys with a target of 2340, keeping a stop loss of 2200.
Okay, and quickly tell us your 2 sell calls, Crompton Greaves as well as Tata Global Beverages.
Well, I've been bullish. I've been bearish on Crompton Greaves previously as well, Rima, and I still feel that the bearish pattern which started from September 2014 for Crompton Greaves would still continue. I would place a revised target of 160 on Crompton Greaves, keeping a stop loss very close to 170 odd. The second one is Tata Global, and I think today, looking at the kind of selling, it's broken a bearish triangle pattern just around 150 to 153 mark. So I think from a short-term perspective, keep a stop loss of very close to 155 and look for a target of at least 142.
All right, Kunal, any disclosures?
No personal holdings in the stocks mentioned. It is possible I may have recommended the same to our clients at LKP.
All right, thank you for joining us.